What's up, guys?
Welcome back to my channel. This is my brother, Healthy Hoops. Go subscribe to his channel.
Go check it out. It's about basketball. You sick, bro?
Yeah. Gain.
I guess you can guess what we're finna do.
Slide.
Yeah. And this is gonna be my very first time, so I'm very excited.
Okay, give me that.
Alright, blue now.
We're just gonna add a little bit. Yeah, that was a little bit.
A little bit. You sure that's a little bit? Looks like a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. What was that noise?
What the heck? Okay. Yeah, we gotta mix it.
I'm hyper. I ate too much chocolate. It's forming. I'm just kidding.
Haven't added the game yet.
Oh, we need to add the shaving cream before we.
Maybe that's why mine was a little too sticky.
Yeah.
Hopefully mine. Yeah. Okay. I'm just following her rules. I don't know what to do. We gotta mix a little bit.
I'm gonna poop my pants.
Go change.
Okay. My mom diarrheaed her pants today at work.
For real. She did. She had to stay like that the whole day. She left marks all over the store.
Okay. Okay.
The game. Alright. Okay.
Cat.
Yay.
Okay, it's
Smells
ready.
good.
It smells like poo.
Poo's good.
I eat it every day.
Ugh.
And I drink peas.
Sounds healthy. Healthy hoops.
Dude. Is it sticky? What? Yeah, I think yours needs a little bit more.
Think.
Or no? Yeah, I think I added a little bit too. Yeah, yours is ready. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Listen to that.
Yeah. So satisfying.
We should add lotion because it's a little bit hard. Or not.
I don't know.
Yeah. Yours is not sticky.
Should I add this to it?
Kind of overactivated it. I kind of overactivated. Yeah, guys.
Let me see. Yeah. It's not too bad. It's not too bad.
Maybe we should add lotion. Rubber. Yeah, mine's hard too. Yeah, wow, poo. It fell in the sink. Throw it on the mirror. I'm gonna throw it on the mirror. They want to see your slime.
So they want to see my slime?
Yeah. We're gonna make
the best slime ever.
We're gonna make slime pet peeves.
Yeah. And the other thing too.
ASMR.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we coming with y'all with some new videos.
Yeah, we'll make lots of videos together.
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah, this is the first one.
Yeah.
Last time this is the second time we made this video. She threw her slime at the phone and it broke.
Yeah.
So we had to turn it on and start over again.